Welcome to Cottage Country. I'm your host, Robin Lockhart of Royal LePage TV. If you're one of the many Canadians considering buying a recreational property, here are a few things to consider, as well as some tips to help you with your search and assessment process. The first step is to ask yourself, what can you afford to spend? This is going to help you decide on a general location and one that you're really going to enjoy. A few other considerations would be, are you okay with neighbors being nearby? Do you prefer sun exposure or a wooded lot? Do you need internet access or close proximity to amenities? And lastly, don't forget to consider the drive time. Once you've found the property you're interested in, the most important thing is to have a qualified home inspector provide you with a detailed report. This assessment should include water supply and septic system, exterior features and foundation, interior fittings, the heating, cooling, plumbing and electrical systems. An inspection is a small price to pay for peace of mind, and it helps to negotiate a fair price should any work be required. A few things you can inspect yourself include: check the driveway and access road for potholes, puddles, or trenches. Find out who's responsible for the maintenance and if there are any special considerations concerning its use. Look for signs of animal or insect infestation. Check the foundation, under the eaves, around the vents and chimneys. Look for signs of water damage. This can be a problem at recreational properties, so examine the ceilings and walls for bulges or stains. Excessive mildew can be a sign of a leak or poor ventilation. Security can also be an issue if your property is unoccupied for part of the year. Make sure windows and doors are solid and locks are good. Choosing the right recreational property is sure to bring you and your family years of enjoyment. Just picture yourself sitting on the deck, cool drink in hand, watching the summer pass you by. I'm Robin Lockhart. Thank you for watching Royal LePage TV.